Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion and Style. Women's footwear is often seen as a significant element of fashion, allowing individuals to express their style and personality. It is a means of enhancing an outfit and making a fashion statement. Watch this video and subscribe my channel Comfort and Functionality. While style is essential, the comfort of ladies' footwear is also crucial. There's a growing demand for shoes that offer both comfort and style, catering to different activities and occasions. Diversity and versatility. The diverse range of ladies' footwear reflects the varied lifestyles and needs of women. From high heels for formal events to sneakers for casual wear, the range provides versatility for different activities. Quality and craftsmanship. High-quality craftsmanship is appreciated in ladies' footwear, reflecting in the choice of materials, construction, and attention to detail. Women often value shoes that are durable and well-made.